Well, hi everybody, and welcome to video number 5 in our gradebook series. This is Moodle 2.5 for Humboldt State University, and we're in the gradebook full weighted means of grades. Looking at the top of the page here, we have our plus and minus comments. Notice one of the pluses is it does allow the weighting of a specific assignment, so a test can have twice the value of another test. The minus, and these are two kind of significant ones, it does not do extra credit, and it will require the modification of your calculations if you happen to add or remove contents in a specific category. Let's go to the left-hand column. Let's go to grades. And once inside the grades selection, let's go immediately to categories and items. And this is the same data we have used in all of our previous videos. We have our top category for homework. That category is worth 30%. As we look at the center of the page, we notice that everything here is set for weighted means of grades. Now, in our last version, we had the top section as weighted, and the other sections were all simple weighted. What we gain by full weighted means of grades, we still have homework worth 30%, as we see here in the right-hand area with the 30% in the weight column entered. But we're allowed to enter, for example, homework assignment 1 being worth twice as much as the other two assignments, which is representative of their point value. Homework assignment 1 is 100. The other two items are 50 points. In this weight column, you put the numerical value or weight as it relates to the entire category. We want the 100 point or homework assignment 1 to be worth twice as much as the other two. The total value is 30%, so we make that assignment worth 15% and the others worth 7.5. Notice the category total in the homework section is 100%. That's exactly how we did it the last time. We are not talking points, we are talking percentages. Let's come down to the research paper category and notice we have made similar calculations, all adding up to 40% as we see in the category box. This is going to involve some careful math on your part, and as I mentioned in the warm-up, if we were to add, for example, homework assignment 4, we're going to have to recalculate our values to make sure that it represents the way we want to do it. Notice both the category and the course totals all the way down are 100%, and in our weight section, each of the boxes totals the value of that particular category. Homework is 30, research paper is 40, and if we look at research paper, we have 3 items for 10 and 2 for 5. Also notice, again, looking at research paper, that just because an item has 150 or 20 points, it doesn't have to have a specific weight. This is something you can assign, although I do recommend being very clear in your syllabus to ensure that there's no student confusion. As always, at the very bottom, you're going to see the Save the Changes button. This should be applied should you modify or reconfigure an assignment. Let's say we wanted to go to our research paper section, make drafts and reference worth 5, and make research paper topics worth 10. After making those changes, pressing enter, please come to the bottom and select Save Changes to make sure that those changes do take effect. And one final point I did mention earlier, and I want to reiterate here, that there is no extra credit option when using full weighted means of grades. That area that would normally have all those little check boxes where you could specify an item to be extra credit are not available in this version. All right. Please come and see us. We'll help you set up your gradebook, and come on back for our next video when we're going to talk about exporting and importing to Excel. Thank you very much. We're in Library 315 at extension 3633. We look forward to helping you get started.